guys, it's me, Sabrina Isabelle, and welcome back to my channel, my first video for 2018. Today's video is another review on this baby, which I know you guys are waiting for me to do a review on this, which I posted sometime in December in Instagram. Yes, and thank you so much for waiting because it has been a crazy month. So here it is. Okay, so this is the 25 color eyeshadow and highlighter palette. So this is the packaging. I really love the way how they actually did the rainbow effect where you move it. I don't know what effect is this, guys. Let me know down in the description. I've been trying to find out the name of what is this effect that it gives you, that rainbow effect. Is it the rainbow effect? I don't know, guys. Let me know, because it is all over, and these are the beautiful shades right here. So I use this eyeshadow palette to create the look that I have going on my eyes today, and I honestly can say they are so blendable and they are soft. Their matte shades are very soft. It was so easy to blend. It was so easy to pile on the colors, and it blended out really easily for me. So I will talk more about this palette at the end of the video. So right now I'm just gonna jump in and show you guys how I actually do my eye look with this eyeshadow palette, and I'll give you guys a couple of swatches and their retail price and all that fun stuff. Yes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell for the notification for my future videos. So let's get right into the video, and I'll show you how I actually created this look.
And I'm loving your lips like a candy bar. I ain't kidding, I just wanna have ya. Ain't kidding, I just gotta have ya. Girl, you like a nine-cut diamond. Every time when you put your smile on, really wanna get to know you better. Loving every minute we're together. The king, a queen to be. If I pop the question on my knees, cause you kill a competition. Got a body divine with a vision. Wanna see you move, yeah. Hurry up before I lose, yeah. I'm addicted to your hot kiss. I can't take it no more. Put your hands in the air, we'll be alright. That's right. You keep messing up my mind, but I love your style. Yeah, yeah. And I'm loving your lips like a candy bar. I ain't kidding, I just wanna have ya. Ain't kidding, I just gotta have ya.
Hey, find me in the bar, I ain't going outside. In this cold ass winter, gotta roll up and out. See you from afar, got my thoughts in the sky. Where we used to kiss, sunshine, shit and wild. You gotta call me every day, pretend you're my baby. I see more real out there lately, it's crazy. Yeah, we could be the same as we claim in this kingdom shit and keep it tame. Come on, baby girl, we're not the same. Two different speeds, but we keep it one lane. Yeah, what goes around comes around. Keep 100, y'all. Do this for my soul like a dawn, but still you.
So I'm so sorry. I thought I actually videoed me smoking out my lower lash line, but apparently my camera just shut off. So I'm so sorry for that, but for the bottom lash line, I actually used my Morphe 321 brush. So at first I picked up this muddy green shade and smoked up my lower lash line, and then I picked up Sagittarius and I smoked up my lower lash line.
And this night will keep on getting better. Step into the club, I can feel the room is full of love. Cause you play the top division, we'll be running the night, it's a mission. Yeah, wanna see you move, yeah. Hurry up before I lose, yeah. Cause I'm addicted to your hot kiss, and I can't take it no more. Put your hands in the air, we'll be alright. You keep messing up my mind, but I love your style.
Then the one thing good about this palette is it has a mirror. The rainbow effect of the palette inside. So these are all the Zodiac shades. Like this is Scorpion, Libra, Virgo, Leo, Cancer, Gemini, Taurus, Aries, Pisces, Aquarius, Capricorn, and Sagittarius. The inner ones are all the matte shades, but they don't have the name to the shades, and this is the highlighter that they give you in the palette. It looks really white in the palette, but when I swatch it, it is actually a champagne color, guys. It's very hard to explain to you guys because right on the back of my hand, it's not white. Like how the camera is picking up, I don't know why, but it's not white, but it has that gold iridescent type of highlighter, guys. So it's really amazing. I will give you guys a couple of swatches. So I'm just going to take Aries, Virgo, and Sagittarius. So this is Aries, this is Virgo, and this is Sagittarius. Can you see how beautiful the shades are? And they also apply really nicely when it comes to your brush. So I'm actually going to pick up this shade right here, which is Scorpio, right here, and I'm using my M167 brush. The brush is not wet, guys, so I am just going to swatch it for you guys at the back of my hand. Can you see how well it applied the shade? It picks up the product from the Morphe brush really well, and it applies on the lid really nicely, guys. Okay, so I just give you about 3 swatches of the matte shades. So I'll go for this purple right here, and then this one here, and this one here. Here, sorry, wasn't swatched properly, and here, right there. Can you see how beautiful they swatch? Okay, so this palette is swatched beautifully, it applies beautifully. So I really like this palette a lot, and it's really worth the buy, guys. I only bought this palette for like $27 plus shipping. So I really find that this palette is really worth the buy for $27, guys. BH Cosmetics, they have really formulated this palette, the eyeshadow, really well. So I truly hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.